How to remove link from your Instagram bio. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the edit profile option you see there. Further, tap on the links option you see there, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the links that you have added to your Instagram bio. So tap on the Instagram link that you want to delete, and in the interface that you will then be led to, you will see the remove link option there. So tap on the remove link option, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on remove again. And with this, as you can see, the link has been removed from my Instagram bio. So this is how you can remove link from your Instagram bio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.